Hi my dears, in this video I will show you how to make cute school earrings, simple and extravagant style. Copy some school pattern, choose what you like. Here it is, but use some thick paper and you see a little bit effort and it will be ready. It's not so difficult. Ta-da, it's ready. Oh, I will not drink, don't worry. This is for the second pattern. You see? Here they are, ready for work. I use piece of white Italian leather for the schools. Okay, draw them and don't forget to make two. Now a piece of black leather, again two pieces. Yes, that's it. And schools. Gently, gently, yes. Some pieces are ready, yes. You see them? And I like the music. Oh, I have to cut another piece of leather, yes, the third one, because I have to show you another option. I forgot it, sorry. Okay, I hammer it and now we have to add the hook. Yes, 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 yes. That's it. It's ready. Now it's time to try. Simple and elegant. And if you want a little bit more style, yes, the glasses. My glasses. Enough. Back to work for the extravagant versions. Black and silver lace. Use the same pattern, just cut a piece of leather. Lace, sorry. Whoop! Don't worry, it happened during the process. Gently. Yes, it's done. And now you have three pieces. Make a sandwich. Lace, leather, school. And now it's time for the net fabric. Again, cut a small piece. Cut it the same way, using the same pattern. Trim it, it's necessary, and do the same sandwich. Net, leather, school. And my favorite, the blink blink. I can't go without it. I like it. Just the same. Just the same. The same pattern. and you will see. Ta-da! It's ready, it's done, bling bling. I prefer to use glue because this way you can fix better the details. It is a glue for leather, and of course I like to dance. The music really makes me happy, and during my work I always listen to music.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast.
Well,
roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
But for more safety, hammer time. Yes, gently, gently. And make the hole. Yes. Let's try the net. Again, a little glue. Yes. Always put the glue on both sides when you work with leather. More safety and more stable. The net, the leather. Let's see what will happen. Okay, the leather part is okay, but the back side is sticky, so I don't like it. Let's fix it. Take a piece of lace, just a drop of glue, no more, and fix the leather and the lace. Gently trim it, yes, just a little bit. Much better, yes, you can't see the glue, and as I told you, a little bit more glue on the leather side too, to fix the screws. Yes, that's it. And hammer time, you know that. Yes, gently, gently, yes, it's ready. If it's necessary, trim it a little bit. I always prefer to fix the parts with my sewing machine because I think it's better and it's more stable. Making my jack machine ready for work. It's not so difficult. Yes, you have to change the threads, light up, and stitch by stitch the miracle will happen. You see? Yes, you have to trim the threads, burn them to fix them. Yes, that's it. And I will show you the two options here. If you don't want or can't sew, use this one just use a little bit more glue and fix it well. Okay, this one is ready, the net is ready, and the bling bling lace. Okay, I made the holes for the hook. Yes, it's a tiny one, but you can see it. Yes, and here, and on the back side it's seen better. I choose silver hooks and two sizes of jump rings, bigger and one smaller, original for jewelry earrings making. So let's try. Number one is very easy to be made. Yes, just a little bit more effort and it's okay. Yes, it's done. Number two, I think it will be easy to fix it. Yes. Fix it the same way. Nothing special. Yes, it's done. And now it's a little bit more difficult because the jump ring is very tiny, and I will try to open it. Yes, you can see it. So now through the hole, I prefer to use my fingers. Okay, did it. Now almost done. Yes, a little bit, and I'm sure what happened. Okay, it's ready. Yes, now it's time to try them. Thank you for watching. I really enjoy to make this video. I hope you like it. Let's try the other earring and be happy, my girls. Love you. Thank you.